Today I'm going to teach you something you need to know on your weight loss journey. I'm going to teach you how to log a large recipe. What you're going to do, step number one, very important, you can't forget this, is weigh your pan. Once you weigh your pan, remember that number. Write it down, take a picture, do whatever you need to do to remember how much this pan weighs. Step number two is just cook your recipe. That's it, just start cooking, and then we will get to the next step. Okay, next thing you're gonna do is you're going to weigh your pot with your food in it. I put an oven mitt on my scale so I don't burn it, and I zeroed it out. Okay, now you need to remember this number because we are trying to figure out how much our food weighs.
Okay, so my pan with the food weighed 2,936 grams, and my pan without the food weighed 1,873 grams, and that gives you 1,063.
Once you know the weight of your food, you can divide by how many servings you want it to be and know exactly how many grams to eat of your food. So I want my recipe to be 5 servings. I know that my whole recipe, just the food, weighs 1,063 grams. So I'm gonna divide by 5, and that gives me 212 grams. So now I know to portion out 212 grams to have 1/5 of this dish.
Next thing you're going to do is build your recipe. This is how you do it in the Slay Squad app. You hit the plus sign, then meal, then recipe, and build. I already had this created. So you just enter all your ingredients and then you choose your serving size. So I chose 5 because I am splitting this into 5 servings. And now when you log this, it will log 1/5 of the total amount of your recipe.
Save this video so you can easily come back and use this step-by-step process next time you cook a large recipe and need to track it for your weight loss goals.